In this video, we're going to show you how you can connect your VK channel towards your UChat workspace. First of all, let's go towards VK from the left-hand menu. And from here, you will see that we already connected towards a VK chatbot, but let's create a new one. Inside, you will be able to change your language, and you will need to insert your group ID and access token. Let's grab this from VK right now. Once logged into your account, you'll need to create a community. Press the button Create Community. Let's go for business. Let's give the community a name. Let's choose a subject. And let's give a description. Finally, let's press the button Create Community. We'll need to add in some contact information. Let's press Continue. From here, you can also invite friends towards the community if you like to, but for now, let's just continue. Let's go towards the community. Inside the community, let's scroll down. We will now need to go towards Manage. From Manage, we will need to go towards API usage. Let's create an access token. Let's give all access towards this specific token. We also need to confirm this action. Once confirmed, we can grab this access token, go back towards UChat, fill the access token in, and the only thing that we need to do now is to grab the group ID. If we go back towards communities and our community group, if we go towards Manage, you have your community group ID directly at the URL. For the group ID, let's just go with the numbers, copy and paste this. And now we have successfully added our VK community inside of our VK channel.